Hello guys, welcome back. Today I have a Google Nest audio speaker and I'll show you how to completely reset this device. When connected to power, the device is turned on. Move the microphone switch to the right until you see an orange light. The lights on the back also change to orange. Then click and hold the button, keeping it held. After the beep sound, release the button and wait for the device to restart. The reset is complete. You can now set it up again using the Google Home app. That's how you perform a hard reset on this device. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.